Hello, I'm Michibit, your crypto kitty friend. I'm holding my tail high of happiness as I see you here, at Silverbit, where we all learn crypto. Today we are going to talk about Tether, that cryptocurrency that you have possibly heard of, and which has the same value as the dollar. Don't worry, I'll explain it to you step by step here. Remember to hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, to hear me meowing every time we post a new animated video. Possibly you have already seen the symbol USDT before, or have heard the name of the cryptocurrency Tether in various media. Tether, or USDT for its acronym in English, is a cryptocurrency categorized as a stablecoin. It is a cryptocurrency based on blockchain technology, and its value remains par with the value of the US dollar. If you see the value of this coin on cryptocurrency price pages, you will notice that its price does not fluctuate much from 1.00, and that is why it is considered stable. Its principles establish that for each circulating token of Tether, there is the equivalent amount of dollars in reserves, which guarantees its value. Typically, Tether remains within the top 5 cryptocurrencies by market value. What is the goal of Tether? Tether serves as a fast, efficient and low-cost way to convert highly volatile cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, among others, into a cryptocurrency that maintains the same value as the US dollar at all times. This increases the degree of investor confidence, and injects liquidity into the world of cryptocurrencies, since there is no immediate need to convert your cryptocurrencies to fiat currency, such as the US dollar for example, which requires paying higher fees, and it is much less efficient. Why should you understand Tether? Every time you buy a cryptocurrency in an exchange, there is a great possibility that you will see the price of that cryptocurrency, expressed in USDT. For example, if you want to buy Bitcoin, the price is expressed as a trading pair, that is, the comparison of two currencies. In this case, you will likely see the price expressed as BTC/USDT. BTC is the currency you want to buy, and USDT is the base currency. This means that you are about to buy Bitcoin, and the value of Bitcoin at that moment is expressed in Tether, not fiat dollars, although the value is basically the same. How was Tether born? Tether was founded in 2014 by J.R. Willett, who was working on a mastercoin, along with Brock Pierce and Craig Sellers. They were looking to create a blockchain platform, which would serve as a communications protocol, and that would work on top of Bitcoin. With this mastercoin, it would be possible to create a series of layers on top of Bitcoin in which it was possible to execute other cryptocurrencies or tokens. Brock Pierce and Craig Sellers were members of the Mastercoin Foundation, and believed that there was enormous potential to build something even bigger. For this reason, in 2014, Pierce and Sellers presented their project called Realcoin, which was launched using the OmniLayer protocol. With the use of OmniLayer, Pierce and Sellers were able to launch Realcoin using the Bitcoin blockchain. On November 20, 2014, the CEO of Tether, Reeve Collins, announced that the project would be renamed as Tether, and presented the creation of USDT as a stable cryptocurrency. With this, Collins presented to the world the birth of stablecoins. Tether comes to trading platforms. In 2015, Bitfinex, one of the largest exchanges at the time, decided to add Tether and its sister cryptocurrencies to its platform. In September 2017, Tether announced that it would launch additional ERC20 tokens for US dollars and euros on the Ethereum blockchain. Thanks to this, Tether was able to take its tokens to the two largest blockchains, Bitcoin and Ethereum. This boosted Tether's presence on trading platforms quickly. Today, USDT exchange accounts for close to 80% of the entire Bitcoin exchange, although this number is rapidly going down, due to the high competition from other stablecoins. I will explain to you more about this competition in a moment. What are the advantages of stablecoins for the world of cryptocurrencies? They offer stability in a world of high volatility. This means that it is possible to quickly convert your investments into a stable cryptocurrency. They offer security and peace of mind to investors, because at a time when a cryptocurrency is losing value, you can convert back to USDT for example, and thus preserve your assets. They inject liquidity into the cryptocurrency market. How is it possible for Tether to stay at $1? Are you wondering how it is possible that Tether, a cryptocurrency, is not volatile and unstable? This is a very fair question, and I will explain to you why, just below. Tether is tied to another asset, in this case, the US dollar. The issuers of the cryptocurrency, in this case Tether Limited, establishes and ensures that they safeguard the value of the currency, by keeping in their reserves at all times, the same amount of real dollars, as the number of circulating Tether tokens, thus ensuring at all times the parity between the two. The controversy behind Tether. In recent years, a lot of controversy and doubts have arisen around Tether. This is largely due to the lack of transparency from its leaders and the absence of reserves audits by authorized third parties. Even after an incident where Bitfinex lost $850 million, Tether Limited loaned Bitfinex the same amount in Tether, and then changed its official reserve policies to ones that make it unclear whether the reserve parity with the dollar holds. This is why, more and more, other stable currencies have been born, such as USDC, which gains more ground every year in the world of cryptocurrencies and, in turn, offers transparent and clear audits on the status of its reserves. If you have more questions, enter our social media now, or visit our website, and leave us a comment. We will be happy to help you. The links are available below, in the comments section. Thank you for watching my video. Remember, I am Michibit. And if you found this video helpful, and you want to see a kitty purring of happiness, don't forget to hit the like button and please subscribe to our channel on YouTube. Meow. See you in another video. Hey again, it's me, Michibit. Here are more videos made just for you. Pick anyone you like, or feel free to make a suggestion of what content you would like to see in the channel, down in the comment section. And by the way, if you subscribe to the channel right now, I get one bonus cookie. See you in the next video.